Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at backgrounds in Scratch, how to change the background. We're not going to look at any programming yet, I don't think. We're just going to look at how to change the background and what options that we have. So make sure you have Scratch open, and I put a couple of characters on here, and so you can do that as well. It doesn't really matter what characters you use, it's totally up to you. But to change the background, it's similar to how we add sprites. If you look on the left-hand side here under the stage backdrop, there's an option here called Choose Backdrop from a Library. And what's great about Scratch is it already provides you some backgrounds to get you going. So I'm going to pick maybe this one called Night City with Street, and I'm going to click OK. See how that looks? And you'll notice that it automatically pastes that background onto my stage, which is great. Now, what if you don't like the background and you want to try to create your own? Well, then, similar to the new sprite option, you're going to click on the Paint New Backdrop. So it's not really a background they're calling it a backdrop. Now, you're going to open up this dialog similar to your sprite option. I'm going to click on this rectangle tool, and I'm going to select a brown color here and use my rectangle. Cool, got that. Then I'm going to select the tool again. This time I want a bit of a green color. Click somewhere on the screen, activate it. Awesome. Click on the screen somewhere to get rid of it. Get a light blue color for the sky. Okay. Click away somewhere. Alright, so let's see. Maybe I want to add some clouds, so I'm going to get my brush tool. I'm going to select white, make the brush a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to color in some odd shaped clouds. You get the idea. Right? So there we go. That is basic setup there. Okay, so we've gone ahead. Let's see. Got our background there. So what if you've already drew this up and you said, oh, maybe I'd like to use a different program? Well, just like we did with the sprites, we can use Adobe Illustrator to create a backdrop. Now, the size for the backdrop is rated at 480 by 360. So when you go to File in Adobe Illustrator, click New, you want to make sure that the units become pixels, and the width is 480 and the height is 360. And then press OK. Once you've done that, you will get a box that's in this shape, and at that point you're able to use all the tools and features that you're used to using in Adobe Illustrator. Once you're done, you want to obviously save it as an Adobe Illustrator file and back it up, but you also want to export the file as a PNG file, Portable Network Graphics. I'm going to call this Poke Stadium. Hit save. And if this option shows up, just press OK. Once you've done that, I'm going to go and import a new backdrop or upload backdrop from File on the left-hand side here. And then I'm going to select my option there. Then I have my two characters. I have my Pikachu, and I'm going to move him into place there, and also this shark, which obviously is not a Pokemon, or I don't think it is, and then shrink it down a bit to match the size there. So now I've got my two characters here who are getting ready for a Pokemon battle. So that's the basic features in bringing in a background. You start off by clicking on this backdrop stage. If you want to access it, you have options to different backgrounds, different scenes. And so that is how you set that up. And I'm going to end the tutorial here.